Open the fridge doors. Close the fridge doors.
It's got privacy concerns. It's got all these cameras now. What, you don't want a camera on the front of your fridge watching you all the time, do you? I don't. It's, you know, security problems and that somebody could hack into your fridge and know what you're eating and know what medications are in your fridge. Maybe, I don't know. Certainly, most people are not asking for voice-controlled, AI voice-controlled refrigerator door opening.